Hi, my name is Mike Wens. I'm from MinDCet. We are an IC design house specialized in power IC design. We have here some nice demos for you, starting off with the Gallium Nitride power stage, and here the gate driver, that's a MinDCet component. Now, our gate driver is special in the sense that it packs a whole lot of functionality to make the robustness and the reliability of the circuit maximum. As you can see here in the block diagram, we have a charge pump combined with bootstrap diodes that enables 100% duty cycle. We have floating linear regulators that avoid gate overcharging, and we have as much as integration as we can to give you a compact solution and a reliable solution. Now, combine that with a very high gate drive strength, and you'll also be able to get the maximum performance out of your GaN power stage. So what we see here is 48 volt input, 3.3 volt output with a buck converter, and we reach an efficiency of approximately 96%, which is very good and which is really not achievable with any standard MOSFET around. We also are active in the higher power ranges, so here you see a silicon carbide traction inverter, 250 kilowatt, where the gate drivers for the silicon carbide half bridges have been developed by MinDCet. Currently still in engineering phase, they will become products on the market around Q1 2024. Now, our silicon carbide gate driver is special in the sense that it features a very high output power drive strength up to 12 amps peak, but it also has 2-level turn on and turn off. Last but not least, it features the secondary side of the digital isolator inside the chip, so that brings down your bill of material, and even further more so because we also integrate the rectifier diodes on the secondary side. So one of the applications of our MDC 901 gate driver for GaN is actually audio class D based with GaN. So here we have a full bridge, 2 gate drivers, all GaN based, and that makes a very nice self-oscillating class D amplifier. So here we have built that into a stereo set. And actually, if we turn up the volume, it makes some decent, nice noise. So thank you for listening to our small video. If you have any more questions or more information, you can visit us at www.mindset.com, or you can send us an email to the info address. Thanks a lot.